Welcome to Vlogmas. Are you ready for the videos? 25 days of Christmas. Make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe. Please and thank you. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm back with another food review. So I was recently at Dollar Tree not so long ago, and I seen these and wanted to pick them up. This is my first time trying it. It's like, hey, it was $1. So I bought these vegan meatballs. They look so good on the box. So I was like, let me see if I can make these. But first, let's get us a thumbnail. Yes, my first time trying these. So I put them in the oven. They said you can make them 3 ways. Do not mind the noise in the background. You got to put them in a deep fry, microwave, a conventional oven. I just made mine in the oven. I baked it for 450, like it said, for 2 minutes. Flip veg meatballs over and bake an additional 2 minutes until golden brown. See, now that process I forgot to flip, but they came out all right. Some fell apart, but we're going to get right on into this and see how it tastes. And of course, I added something special to it, so we about to see what it's all about. So make sure you guys like, comment, subscribe, turn your post notifications that we be notified when I post. And yeah, let's just get this video started. Okay, I am back. Had to wait till the heat turned off because that was giving me a vibe I didn't want. So, of course, we got our vegan meatballs. Look at that. Don't they look good? Like, they kind of smell like some Indian curry, which I love. Me some curry goat and curry chicken. And, of course, we got some B-Love Smackalicious sauce, just a little. Stir, stir. And of course, you know, I gotta get my water. Have to have my water on deck. Let's slide down so y'all can see what I'm working with. Alright, these meatballs, some of them fell apart, but it smells really good. My daggone freaking stocking will not stay up. But let's put some and try this. You know what? This is my first time ever trying vegan meatballs. I mean, it can't be wrong. It's just vegetables, right? Okay, I'm going to show you. This is some vegan meatball and some B-Love sauce. Look at that. Don't that look good? Now, we're going to give it a taste test. It almost tastes like, whoo, B-Love sauce is hot still. It almost tastes like stuffing. Like if you make stuffing from scratch, that's all this tastes like, which is good. Okay, okay. It really does taste like stuffing. I actually like this. This is good. Spicy, but good. Let's try another one. Whew. I'm really trying to use all my B-Love sauce. I still got like, probably like half a container now because I've actually been using it. But this is good. Y'all want to try some? Let's make sure it's positioned on the fork good. Look at all that yummy goodness. Mm-hmm. Vegan meatballs with beloved sauce. Mm-hmm. First time trying vegan meatballs. And I only got these for $1 at the Dollar Tree. This is good. Y'all don't sleep on the Dollar Tree now. They be having some great finds for that low low. You know you ain't got it like that. $10 can get you a whole meal and then some. Okay, you got you some water. I'm not sure if they got eggs, but they got meat, cheese, bread, water, snacks. You be good. Woo. It's time. I mean, technically, would this beloved sauce be considered healthy? Because it is 3 types of vegetables in it, right? Garlic, onions, and ginger. This is a healthy sauce because you can do it spicy. Is beloved sauce considered healthy? No, it has butter. But I think they do got vegan butter, so if you want, you can hook it up that way too. Make it vegan style. Let's get y'all to look at the inside of this meatball. Look at that, all them vegetables. Don't that look good? Yes, it tastes good too. It tastes as good as it looks. But we don't want this video too long because people be shiesty with watching long video. So, I'm going to finish the rest of this off camera. Mm-hmm. Woo! If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up. If you didn't, give it a big thumbs down. The choice is yours. Comment down below if y'all would like to see more videos like this. Hit the subscribe button. Hit the bell. That way you be notified when I post, because I know you want to be notified. So come on and join the family. I don't bite. And until next time, we out of here. Peace.